croeso i Ysgol Hughes. Gan eich bod chi wedi methu dod i weld ni yma, da ni'n mynd i fynd â chi ar daith amgylch yr ysgol, felly peidiwch â poeni.
Hello, welcome to Ysgol Hughes. Since you can't come here, we're going to give you a virtual tour of the school.
A fam y dydniad lle mae'r steddfodau, y gwasanaethau, sioia ac yr arholiadau'n digwydd.
This is the main hall where you'll be having your weekly assemblies and annual steddfods, and it's also a place to come to play the piano. Dyma'r toiledau, a byddwch chi'n gweld yma ddigon o toiledau a digon o lefydd i olch i'ch dwylo. These are our toilets, and as you can see there are plenty of toilets and plenty of places to wash your hands as well, so always remember to wash your hands.
Dyma'r gorad. Dewch chi mewn. Felly mae yna ddigon o lefydd yma os da chi eisiau unrhyw help efo gwaith, neu os da chi jyst angen dod i rwla i dawelu, dyma'r lle perffaith.
This is the gorad, come on in. This is the place to go to if you need extra help or just a place to relax and a quiet, safe space.
Os di'n sal, tydi fan hyn. If you're ill, you come here and tell the receptionist.
Ar y funud, mae yna system un ffordd yn yr ysgol efo saethau yn pwyntio yn y ffordd da ni angen cerdded ar lawr fel yma.
At the moment, we've got a one-way system around the school, so you follow these arrows that are on the floor to get around.
Croeso i'r porth. Os mae gennych chi unrhyw broblem neu os ydych chi ar goll, neu jyst angen rhywun i siarad efo, fe fydd yna rhywun yma wastad yn y porth, rhywun fel Mrs Bowen yma i'ch helpu chi.
Welcome to the porth. This is the place to go to if you need help or are lost or just need any sort of advice from a teacher like Miss Bowen here.
So fama di'r canteen, dewch i ni weld be di hoff fwydydd rhai o'r disgyblion.
My favourite's the pizza. Fy hoff fwydi ydy'r pasta pots.
Dwi'n hoffi dod â pecyn bwyd, mae'n groeso i bawb dod â pecyn bwyd efo nhw.
My favourite food is the ham and cheese paninis.
Croeso i canolfan hamdden Ysgol Hughes. Dewch chi mewn.
So gewch chi chwarae pêl-fasged yn y neuadd hamdden.
the dance room. This is a place you go to not only for your free spare time to dance, but also PE lessons.
Cadw'n heini.
A dyma Barry yn swydd ar chwaraeon.
So this is Barry, our 560 officer.
Dyma ni ein cae 3G. This is our 3G pitch.
Dyma'r harbwr. Os eisiau help efo gwaith ni eisiau gwneud gwaith cartra ar ysgol, dewch yma.
Welcome to a hardboard. If you want any help with your work or your homework, you can come here.
Dyma un o'r anogwyr dysgu yma, Mrs Sutherland.
Hi.
Dyma Mrs Persglove y dirprwy.
Helo, blwyddyn 6! Edrych ymlaen i gyfarfod chi gyd!
This is Mrs Amlin, head of year 9.
So dyma Mrs Hughes y dirprwy.
Helo blwyddyn 6. Edrych ymlaen yn fawr iawn i gael eich croesawu chi yma ato ni'n ysgol Hughes yn mis Medi. Gobeithio gewch chi wyliau ha neis a welwn i chi bryd hynny. Hwyl!
Fi di Martin y gofalwr a hwn di Cymro.
Felly, da ni'n edrych ymlaen i weld chi mis Medi.
Thank you for joining us on this virtual